it's Steve. Welcome back to the channel, and this is a little something different from me. Uh, I, I love nature. I've always loved nature. I used to when I was a kid. Back in those days, I mean, nature was our playground, man. We were outside all the time. The standing rule was be home, especially in the summertime when school was out. Be home when the street lights come on. Bye. So, and that was, of course, that was back in a simpler time when you didn't have to worry about safety so much and all that kind of stuff. It wasn't unusual to come home bleeding or nothing major, little things. You didn't have to worry about people stalking you in the bushes and all that. That didn't happen back in those days. I don't know if it happens that much now, to be honest. I know it does, but I think when something happens in California, we hear about it as it's happening or right after it happens. Back in those days, none of that. You didn't know anything. It was ignorance is bliss, right? So, anyway, this is my friend Tommy. He has a little cottage down on a lake here nearby, and there's this window box. And last year, this duck came and had her ducklings in this window box. It's kind of a perfect spot for. It's up high enough the predators can't really get in there, so it's like the perfect spot, right? So she came back this year, and guess what? More babies, more baby ducklings. So he took a few minutes of his day. I know he was busy, and he videotaped this. And I just think it's how do you not love little baby animals of any kind? Really, they're all so cute, right? I heard one time somebody said that the reason that little baby anything, even people, are so cute is so that their parents won't kill them. now, now I know when I say the word kill, everybody's you can't say that. Well, how many times you hear a mother or father say, if you do that, I'm gonna kill you. Okay, or the kids say, boy, if I do that, my parents are gonna kill me. It's just a thing, you just say it. It ain't gonna happen. And most, 99.99999% of the cases, it ain't ever going to happen. But people just say it, I guess, whatever. I guess it's probably not the best thing to say, right? If we're going to be spreading love and kindness, we ought to be saying different words. But anyway, let's watch this real quick. I've talked plenty long enough to introduce this little duck video here. And I want to thank my friend Tommy for taking the time to put this together and send it to me. I'm probably going to try to put this on full screen. Let's see what happens when I click this button. And I have to make it full screen. So I think what I'll do is I'll do that maybe in the editor, okay? And I'm going to make it a little bigger right now. Yeah, baby. Now we're talking. All right. So that's pretty good size, but let's go ahead and watch. Oh, look at the little babies. He says, hey, what's going on out there? Who's that guy? Who's that guy with the camera? What's he doing? Oops. Quick, hide. Uh-oh. No, they're all peeking. Them little devils. Little animal angels, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 5 maybe? 4 or 5? At least 4. I'm thinking there's one way over there in the corner on the left. Okay, so we got 1, 2. I know there's more. Help me count the ducks, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there one way to the left over there? Yeah, 5. Yeah, there's one. See the little head back there? So there's at least 5 little ducks. That's probably about the average number, I think, for these kind of ducks. And that mama, look at her, man. She's got her eyes right on Tommy, the cameraman. Don't you get any closer. Don't you get any closer. Yeah, she's eyeballing Tommy, all right. Yep, getting ready to bite him. Sharpening up her bill. Yep, you get just a little bit closer, I'm going to come over there and bite you. Look at them little babies. You know, there's the similarity between animals and humans is really something, isn't it? You know, the curiosity. Look at the little one, the little one's curiosity. Hey, what's out there? What's out there? Wow, look at all that stuff. So far, all I've seen is feathers and Mama. She brings us food. And now look, there's all that stuff out there. Look, there's that guy with the camera. Green grass and trees. You know, they're so. Life is life, right? Oh my God, that's so cute. Them little baby ducks. You know the life is life, right? Even ducks, babies, they're cute. Mama's taking care of them, just like human beings. Okay, and then their curiosity at the world around them, their exposure to it at the young age. You know, it's such a world of wonder and new stuff, right? We're not that different. Life is life. Beautiful. Thanks, Tommy. I think I want to watch that one more time. Little babies. Look at them little babies. he's peeking over the. Hey, what's that? Hey, fellas, there's something going on out there. There's a great big giant. Yeah, look at him. Yeah, I see him. Yep, I'm going back in. I've seen enough. Nope. Now we're all gonna look. Hey, come on, let's gang up on him. We can take him. Pretty sure we got the right. Let's see if we can get a better head count here. So we got one right there. One. I think they're all four of them stick their head up there. One. There's one way over here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. One. Curly, Larry, and Mo. Where's Shemp? Yeah, one, two, three. I think, yeah, I think there's still one way over here someplace. One? Yeah. If that's the same one that was just there, right? One. Two. Hey, hold still, fellas. One, two. Anyway, I think we got a reasonable head count of about five, at least four. One. It's just amazing, really. You know, from a mama duck and a daddy duck, which is the only combination that creates, I guess we'll call it, what would you call it? Animal life, which would include us, by the way. We're animals too, even though we don't like to think of ourselves as more superior than the regular animal. But I don't think, I'm not so sure that's the case. Sometimes I think these that type of animals here that just lead a peaceful existence of making more babies and trying to keep them, you know, alive, bring them up to adulthood. That's not anything different than what we do, you know. So maybe people think they don't have a soul. How come they come back to the same place? They found a good spot. They come back next year. What is that? Instinct? You know, first of all, that's a man-made house and a man-made flower box. You know, it's not part of their natural environment, but they take advantage of it. I think that shows some kind of intelligence, right? Opportunist, opportunist intelligence. I don't know. If it was up to them in their natural environment, I mean, I don't know where ducks usually make nests. Sometimes right on the ground, right? That's not a good spot. What if a cat comes along, right? So, you know, found a good spot, high enough up off the ground. A cat can't climb that brick. I don't think. Maybe some could, but I think it's pretty safe there. The only thing it's not safe from maybe is airborne predators like certain types of birds might swoop in there. But Mama's got an eye on things. She's keeping an eye on the whole thing. So, whew, I love these kind of videos. All right, guys, that's enough. I could ramble on. As you know, till the end of time. Reminds me of the old Meatloaf song, Paradise by the Dashboard Lights. I love you till the end of time. Well, let's move on. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. We will see you again soon with other videos. Bye-bye.